Good afternoon, viewers. I'm here with Jason. Jason, thank you for joining us.
No problems there, Joel.
Now you're here to discuss your fourth year project as part of your industrial design course which you're currently studying at RMIT, yes?
Got it in one there, mate.
What exactly is this project of yours going to entail?
Well, next year I'm looking into the field of design within sports technology. I play sport all year round and it's a great hobby of mine, so I thought, why not use this to my advantage and use it in what I'm aimed to do after I finish my university studies.
Go on.
Such areas I will be researching are running shoe technologies as well as the rules and regulations in the certain sports which have a large bearing on the design of their equipment. Such sports as cycling and cricket have rules in place at elite levels, but they do not have the same rules in place at lower levels of competition. One aim of the project could be to see whether or not this could be exploited and products could be solely made for the individual at a social or minor competitive level, perhaps utilising a new technology or maybe altering an existing one to suit the needs of that individual. It's all going to be heavily researched, John.
Sounds like a lot of work there, Jason. Have you got the appropriate steps worked out to undertake not only a large project, but a very important project?
Yes. Well, there are some very particular methodologies that are going to be used throughout my project. The methodologies which I will be not only researching but undertaking will be mainly action research and how important relevant and qualitative research is compared to research which is not within the current or correct field relative to the current project. Other methods which will be researched will be prototyping. This is important because through my design for sports technology I wish to finish with a final prototype, but throughout the project have many smaller prototypes to show the various stages of the design. I will show how important prototypes are to projects and why they work so well for the users. User-centered design is a design method which will be used extensively throughout the project. It focuses on what is important for the user, how the equipment itself is designed solely for the user. Throughout all the design processes I'm using, reflective practice will be taking place. This is a very important piece of the project as it helps reflection throughout the whole project. It helps the design process and project move along greatly and easily.
Seems like you've got it all worked out there.
Well, it seems that way, but it's most definitely not the case.
How so?
It's extremely early in development of the actual project there, Joel. Many different factors are still yet to be looked at or even considered. I'm down to two main options which I want the project to follow. One is in the field of running shoes, and while the other is in custom equipment for cricketers. Both require a lot of research and other thought before I make the decision of which one I really want to follow and will ultimately follow for the whole of the project.
What kind of research?
At the moment I've researched existing technologies in a number of sports to see how they have been received, but by not only the sports people themselves or the users, but by the general public and the experts within these sports. These are important to see what everyone thinks of the technology or innovation, whether or not it is pushing the boundaries of excellence or in fact it is just creating problems and getting in the way of the sport, whether or not certain technologies are seen to be giving players an unfair advantage or whether or not they are indeed good or bad for the future of the sport they're involved in. Such technologies researched were the Hawkeye computer program. It is used within cricket, tennis and occasionally in snooker. Hawkeye has become a major part of tennis in particular. This is due to its use as an adjudication tool. Players can call for viewing by Hawkeye to deem a close call made by an official. Through this main use, it's attracted a lot of its critics. Also, the Speedo LZR Racer, the new swimsuit, is seen as a major technological leap. Since the suit was released in February, 44 world records in swimming have been smashed. This goes to show that even simple steps in how a product is made and constructed, the way the suit was stitched and put together, can make a massive difference in how it will perform.
I see. It's all very interesting.
Not only have technologies within sports been researched, but a project taking place in Europe at the moment called Custom Fit has been looked at. The aim of Custom Fit is to allow your body's information to be scanned, then put into a computer and be programmed to be made into a product which fits your exact physical shape. It's all very complicated and there's a lot to do with new computer programs being developed, 3D printing technologies, devices being further advanced and designed, but it's all very interesting and exciting at the moment, so it's something that I'm definitely looking at.
Well, it seems you have a lot of work to do. Not only in the next few months in narrowing down your ideas to pick one, but then on into your last year of uni. Good luck with it all.
Thanks, mate. I'd just like to finish with saying that throughout the next year I aim to do a great quality design project, which is well thought out and follows everything which I've said today, and I'm looking forward to getting stuck into it. Cheers, mate.